Hello to all English enthusiasts. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we make learning English a piece of cake.
You've probably heard of phrasal verbs, but do you really know what they are and how they work? Stay with us, because we're about to reveal the secrets of phrasal verbs and help improve your English fluency.
Alright, let's start by understanding what phrasal verbs are.
Phrasal verbs are a combination of a verb and a particle, or, sometimes, two particles. You may already be familiar with particles, which are small words that function as prepositions or adverbs. The particles can completely change the meaning of the verb, creating a whole new expression. For example, break
is different from break down. Or break in.
On the other hand, a specific particle can have multiple meanings. We have categorized these meanings into two parts, the concrete and the abstract meaning. For example, I work out at the gym every morning to stay fit. In this sentence, workout has a concrete meaning and it refers to exercise. Please pay attention to another sentence where the phrase workout has an abstract meaning. I have to work out a way to juggle my job and family responsibilities. Alright, so phrasal verbs can be a bit tricky when it comes to understanding how they work. One important distinction we should talk about is the difference between separable and inseparable phrasal verbs.
Let's break it down, shall we?
Inseparable phrasal verbs, you can put the object either between the verb and the particle or after the particle. For example, I pick up the eggs. Or, I pick the eggs up. Or you can use the object pronoun instead of the eggs. I pick them up. In this case, be careful, you must use the object pronoun before the particle. On the other hand, with inseparable phrasal verbs, the object must come after the particle. For instance,
I don't want to put up with their noise anymore.
You can't say, I don't want to put their noise up with anymore. When using phrasal verbs, it's important to determine if they are separable or inseparable. Look them up in a dictionary to use correctly.
And there you have it! An introduction to phrasal verbs. They may seem like a challenge at first, but with practice and a bit of fun, you'll master them in no time. Stay tuned for more exciting language lessons on our channel, and remember, English can be a piece of cake.